welcome to another episode of our character design series. This is part, we lost count, but here we are to continue our character design 101 class. In this series, we show you the many different facets of designing and drawing unique characters. Today, you're in for a treat as we talk about facial expressions. I personally find it super fun to draw different expressions. There is no right or wrong here, and there are so many emotions to choose from. Jocasta is going to be our model for today again, so I have already sketched out her head. We start off with very simple shapes like a big circle for the face, two smaller circles for the ears, a minimal nose and a neutral mouth. Also adding a few hair strands and a couple of simple shadows so it's not too flat. Our blank canvas is ready. All that are missing are references. References are a very personal and subjective thing. Whatever inspires me might not inspire you, but as a general rule of thumb, try looking at what other artists are doing. If you're into a more manga style, like myself, then look at manga or anime artists. Chibis are a great place for inspiration for more goofy and light-hearted characters. But today, I'm taking a different but super fun approach: emojis. So, let's go with 3 emotions: happy, sad, and angry. But we'll give them more depth in the course of the video as we add finishing touches. Plus, you'll be able to use my technique to recreate any facial expressions you want, I promise. Starting off with the happy face, I draw the eyebrows and the mouth following a symmetrical curve. The eyebrows are probably one of the most important elements on your character's face that help showcase emotion. Simply slanting the eyebrows up or down will immediately change the mood. Once we finish all 3 expressions, I'll put them side by side so you can understand how powerful eyebrows can be. Here's a pro tip. When we smile, we push our cheeks up, so the base of the eye turns into a little bridge or a semi-crescent moon. So I'm adding 2 little shapes with the pen tool to mask the base of the eye and change its shape. To finish off, I like to add a little star inside the eye to show that our character is almost dreaming with their eyes open. Good thing we have a star tool handy just for that. Now, let's have a look at this sad face. The eyes will take an entirely different shape. I like to draw them mouth closed. Pro tip: when we are sad, we tend to hide our look and avoid eye contact, so I'm drawing her pupils as if looking downwards. The eyebrows will then naturally curve down. Jocasta is already looking sad, but if we change both the eyebrows and the mouth, we amp up the emotion we want to convey even more. And to finish off, I am adding one single tear to show that the character is almost holding back their sad emotions. On this note, it's important to know the personality of your character when expressing these emotions. There's a full lesson on characterization in the description box below, which will definitely help. But in essence, you need to know how your character would react. Jocasta is a fierce young fighter, so when she's sad, she would want to hide it. Hence, holding back emotions is an important part of her personality. Since she is a fighter, she will naturally get angry from time to time, maybe more than necessary. Moving on to our angry face, we've got our reference emoji here, and we're going to start off with the mouth. If you want your character to look super angry, open the mouth as if they were in the middle of an argument. Then, we move on to the eyes, which I also draw half closed, but in a different way than the said eyes. I am using sharper angles to denote intensity. The eyebrows are next. They will arch towards the center of the face. With the rotation tool, I want to quickly show you the powerful effect the eyebrows angle has. The more slanted the eyebrows, the more dramatic the expression. A way to signify emotions is through colors as well. A common expression when we're angry is to say that we're seeing red. So for that reason, I'll change the eye color to red to make Jocasta's look more intense. Can't sign off without a finishing touch. I have another expression for you guys. It's also common to say that our head is fuming when we're mad. So why not add some puffed clouds around Jocasta's head? She looks positively furious. So, if we look at all our expressions side by side, we see just how important these three elements, eyes, eyebrows, and mouth, are in matching or exaggerating an emotion. And by adding more and more details to the face, you can express an entire spectrum of sentiments that belong to the same emotion, from angry to enraged, for example. Make sure you practice more facial expressions to get comfortable with all the techniques I shared in this video. We've prepared a file for you in the description below that you can use to draw different expressions in different styles for different characters. Give it a try and share your results with us by tagging vectornator on socials. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned for our next episode. Bye!